You asked for it. The ultimate guide to getting passive income. Imagine waking up to see money added to your bank account, earned while you were asleep. Sound too good to be true? Well, it isn't. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of passive income, a concept that can make this dream a reality. We've got an exhaustive guide lined up for you, covering everything you need to know to create and manage your own passive income streams successfully. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with practical knowledge and tips to embark on this rewarding journey towards financial independence. Step 1. Understanding passive income. Firstly, we need to comprehend what passive income entails. Passive income is money earned with minimal to no daily effort. It's a revenue stream that often requires significant upfront work, like writing a book, but can later lead to continued earnings without constant active involvement. It's essentially making your money work for you rather than trading your time for money, as in a traditional job. To generate passive income, you must establish systems that continue to produce money with minimal intervention. These systems can include investments, online businesses, rental properties, or licensing intellectual property. Many people romanticize passive income and assume it means getting paid for doing nothing. While that's partially true, it's essential to remember that there's typically a lot of initial hard work, patience, and capital investment involved. However, the power of passive income lies in its potential for exponential growth and sustainability. It often allows you to free up time, offer a backup income, work from anywhere, and provide retirement security. By understanding its concept, potentials, and the effort it requires, you can set a realistic approach to building passive income. Step 2. Identifying your skills and interests. Moving on to the next step, it's time to identify your skills and interests. The most lucrative passive income ventures are often those that you're naturally drawn to, and where you can leverage your inherent talents. So start by jotting down what you're good at, what you enjoy doing, and where your expertise lies. Are you a talented writer or photographer? Do you have a knack for spotting valuable items at garage sales? Are you a fitness expert? Any skill or interest could be potentially profitable. Assessing these aspects can guide you towards the most suitable passive income stream. For instance, a skilled photographer might sell their photos on stock image websites, while a fitness expert could create a workout app. Incorporate your passion into your passive income generation. It not only ensures employment in the initial work-intensive phase, but also increases your chance of success. People often excel when they're genuinely interested in their endeavors. Plus, if you love what you're doing, it won't feel like work, and you'll be more likely to stick with it even if the income isn't immediate. Step 3. Conducting market research. Now that you've identified your interests and skills, the third step is conducting thorough market research. Understanding the market is crucial to any successful passive income venture. Research can help you gauge the demand for your product or service, identify competitors, and establish a fair and profitable pricing structure. Begin by analyzing the existing market for your chosen passive income stream. Look at the top performers in your area of interest. What are they doing right? What could you do differently or better? Use online tools, forums, and social media to get a sense of what potential customers want, what they're willing to pay, and where there might be a gap in the market that you could fill. A well-executed market research will arm you with a wealth of knowledge about the market dynamics, customer behavior, and competitive landscape. This information can then be used to develop a sound business strategy and minimize risk. It can save you from investing time and money into a venture with limited profit potential. Step 4. Developing a business plan. After conducting market research, the next step is to develop a robust business plan. This is where you'll outline your business goals, target audience, value proposition, marketing strategy, revenue forecast, and timeline. A solid business plan serves as a roadmap for your passive income venture, outlining the steps you'll take to achieve your financial goals. Your business plan doesn't need to be overly complicated, but it should be thorough and realistic. It should detail the problem you're solving for your target audience, how your product or service solves this problem, and how you'll communicate this solution to your audience. It should also include a realistic forecast of your expenses and projected income. Keep in mind that your business plan isn't set in stone. It's a living document that should evolve with your business. As you learn more about your market and customers, revisit your plan, adjust your strategies, and set new goals as needed. Having this plan in place will provide a clear path forward and keep you focused and motivated. Step 5. Launching your passive income venture. Now that you've laid a solid foundation for your passive income business, it's time to take the next step and launch it. By following the steps outlined in the previous sections, you have already identified your niche, chosen your business model, and created your content. All that is left is to put it out there. Launching your passive income business may seem daunting, but remember that you have already done the hard work. You have created a valuable product or service that will benefit your target audience. Now it's time to share it with the world. Start by promoting your business on social media, reaching out to potential customers, and building your email list. Consider offering a special promotion or discount to early adopters to generate interest and excitement. Step 6. Diversifying your passive income streams. With one passive income stream successfully set up, The sixth step is to think about diversification. Just like with investing, diversification can be key to long-term passive income success. Having multiple income streams reduces risks and can compensate in case one source underperforms or dries up. Also, it offers the opportunity to explore and utilize multiple interests and skills. Start by analyzing the success and growth potential of your current income source. If it's profitable and sustainable, you may want to consider similar ventures that can leverage the same skills or resources. For instance, if you've written a successful ebook, you might consider writing a sequel or venturing into online courses or consulting in the same field. Conversely, you could also explore entirely different ventures to further spread the risk and potential rewards. You may choose to invest in real estate if your initial venture was in the digital products domain, or vice versa. Diversification allows you to capitalize on various markets and trends, ensuring your passive income portfolio remains strong and profitable over the long term. Step 7. Reviewing and adjusting your strategies. The seventh step in the journey towards successful passive income generation is reviewing and adjusting your strategies. It's important to remember that the market, technologies, and consumer preferences are dynamic. This means that what works today might not work tomorrow. Regularly reviewing your ventures ensures you stay ahead of these changes and continue to grow your income. Part of this review should involve tracking your revenue and analyzing any patterns or trends. This could help you identify sessions of high demand, understand consumer behavior, and make informed decisions on possible expansions or improvements. It's also a good time to revisit your initial business plan and goals, compare them to your current reality, and make necessary adjustments. Remember to always keep learning and adapting. Monitor developments in your chosen fields. Stay informed about the latest digital marketing strategies and be open to new tools or platforms that can help streamline your operations. The world of passive income is exciting and ever-changing, and staying flexible and adaptable is key to long-term success. Remember that building a successful passive income business takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passive income dream into a reality. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive guide to building a passive income. While this process can seem daunting, remember that the journey is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, diligent planning, and hard work, you can build a sustainable income stream that provides financial freedom and flexibility. We wish you the best of luck in your passive income journey.